All right, guys, we got us a 2008 Chevy Silverado 4.8 liter lifted. Got really nice custom stuff on it. Got a nice stance to it. What we got done on it for you guys? Factory converter there. Second factory converter there. Then it don't have the dreaded third cat. That's awesome. As you guys can see, it wires into a single here. So later on, he can true dual it and make it even louder. I'm gonna tell him about that. Then what we did is straight pipe duals, 2.5, 2 1/4 tailpipes, mandrel vent, there and there, into massive 5-inch tips, right there, and right there. Came out absolutely beautiful, guys. They did an awesome job on it, as you guys can see. Here's the old system that was on it, all rotted out with flat tips, and just, it's seen better days. It looked better back in the day. So, looks so much better now. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. 2004 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it, guys and girls. There's the stock converters there and there. Then we cut the Y pipe off and true dualed it with an X pipe. There's the X pipe. Then true dual all the way back, 2 1/4, and keep going and going and going out the sides, there and there, into 4-inch angle cut tips right there and right there. That's how you true dual them, boys and girls. Hope you guys like it. Let us know what you guys think, and always, guys, please subscribe, like, and comment, because it keeps us going. And that's the muffler and the tailpipe that we cut off of it. Much better. Yeah, it'll be a long time. Oh, it looks so good. Your sound decibels? Again? 113, bro. Wow, that's awesome. Nice idle. That's awesome. I love the bump, man. That sounds so good on this. Yeah. Let you guys hear on the inside. It is a 4.8 actually, guys, not a 5.3. That's so much better. Again? There's sound decibels. You can never go wrong with true dual, guys. And the X pipe equalizes the pressure, so you don't hear that clap as bad. Basically, it takes the spot of the muffler to take the raspiness out. There it is. True duals with an X pipe, 4-inch tips. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado 4.8 liter straight pipe. If they're going to bring it back, we're going to true dual it. Because, you know, why not? It's not loud enough. We want it louder. GMC Sierra 4.8 liter V8 True Duals with an X-Pod. Here we go.